It's Andrew with JVR Industries. We're out of Buffalo, New York. We often get a question in regards to what kind of vacuum packaging equipment and supplies we offer. Easy answer, we do everything with one small exception. That would be your home use food savers or your those external savers that you would use at home. We do have the supplies for them, but we do not carry the machines themselves. But when it comes to chamber machines, we got everything. We got a VAC 100, this is a 12-inch bar. This would be awesome for your home. We got a VAC 110, a 310 with a 16-inch seal bar. Over here, we've got the VAC 410, 24-inch seal bars, 21 inches between the bars. This thing will fly. And then from there, we've got everything else in between. We've got double chambers. We got this monster right here. This is a Promarks DC 900 chamber machine with an automatic lid transfer. I'll show you what this bad boy can do. Let's see here. This thing has a 12 horsepower Bush vacuum pump. This thing will pull all the air out of that chamber in about 20 seconds. I got a big old pillow in there, and you can see what it looks like after it's done. It'll flatten out your pillow like a pancake. We've also got Rollstock Machines. Here is our PRS 320 mini machine. If you're in the market for a Rollstock machine for commercial packaging, this is a great unit. This thing is only about 7.5 feet long. It's a 320 web. We also do rebuilt machines. You can probably see those in the background here. We rebuild Rollstock Inc machines. We've got all the supplies you could possibly need for your packaging operation. We've got over 30,000 square feet of vacuum packaging equipment and supplies. So if you have any questions, need any more information, give us a call at JVR Industries, 716-206-2500. Visit us online at jvrinc.com. Thanks, guys.